Marietta city leaders are fighting a proposed injection well that would dispose of fracking waste less than 2 miles from the city's drinking water supply. Our Chase Campbell has more on a recent letter in which city officials outlined their concerns.
An August 8th letter signed by Marietta officials, including the city's mayor, law director, water superintendent, and a majority of city council members, asks the Ohio Department of Natural Resources Oil and Gas Chief Eric Vandell to deny a permit application from Deep Rock Disposal Solutions for what would be called the Stephen No. 1 injection well. Injection wells are used to store the wastewater or brine used in hydraulic fracturing or fracking. According to the letter, the Stephen No. 1 well would be the fifth disposal well in close proximity to Marietta's source water protection area, which serves 32,000 residents in multiple different water systems. In the letter, the council writes that, quote, 5 disposal wells is too many, unquote. They say their main concern is protecting Marietta's water supply. City officials point to a troubling track record of faulty injection wells in Southeast Ohio. They note that 6 Southeast Ohio wells have been permanently shut down, and write that, quote, ODNR's own records provide that injection wells in Southeast Ohio fail more often than anywhere else in the state, unquote. 2 wells owned by Deep Rock in Noble County were shut down by ODNR in 2023, with the order stating that the wells were, quote, likely to contaminate the land, surface waters, or subsurface water, unquote, and presented, quote, an imminent danger to the health and safety of the public, unquote. Later that same year, orders shut down 2 wells in Athens County owned by other companies. The letter also notes the precedent of wastewater and injection wells migrating through the earth in Washington County. An ODNR investigation in 2019 found that millions of gallons of wastewater from the Redbird No. 4 injection well had, quote, migrated into 28 different production wells, some of which were 5 miles away, unquote. Marietta's council's letter quotes an affidavit provided by Marietta College geologist Dr. Tej Godum that supports the city's position. Godum writes that, quote, when everything is perfect, the injection of the waste is fine, unquote, but he warns that geologic factors in Southeast Ohio create uncertainty about how reliably injection wells in the region can keep waste contained. Godum writes that, quote, if we inject waste and it moves to upper layers or to a producing aquifer in the city, the damage cannot be undone, unquote, and adds that, quote, to avoid possible damage, the company can go to other locations away from the county or city to dispose of their waste, unquote. A statement from the ODNR said the Ohio Department of Natural Resources Division of Oil and Gas Resources Management will review Marietta City Council's comments as part of the standard review process, unquote. In Marietta, Chase Campbell, WTAP News.